Hello, good morning everyone. Tapos lang po natin mag-walking at jogging dito sa tabing dagat, dito sa Corniche, Al Khobar, Saudi Arabia. Ang sarap magpa-araw saka mag-workout dito sa tabi ng dagat. Sariwang hangin, tapos maganda sa lungs natin yung sea breeze. It's very good also for your mental health and physical health when you are bonding with nature, doing the workout, the breathing exercises, stretching. So try to do some workouts at least 3 to 4 times a week if you cannot do it on a daily basis. But if you will practice Tai Chi and Qigong, you can do it every day with just 10 to 15 minutes every morning before going to work or before going to school. So take care of our health. Take care of your health, guys. Health is wealth. Magastos magkasakit. So mas maganda healthy tayo. Normal yung sugar natin, yung blood pressure, and in control yung ating uric acid. Saka importante rin yung mababa yung ating triglycerides at mataas yung ating HDL or good cholesterol, high density lipoprotein, and mababa yung LDL, which is the bad cholesterol or low density lipoprotein. Yan lang po ang share ko sa inyo, guys, and take care always. Take care of your health. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.